Ready to ditch the overflowing inventory and unlock Amazon FBA's full potential by mastering the art of shipping products to their warehouses. First, log into your Amazon Seller Central account and navigate to the Inventory tab. Then select Manage FBA Inventory, choose the products you want to send, and from the drop-down menu, select Send, Replenish Inventory. This initiates the shipping plan creation process. Properly prepare your products for shipment. This includes using appropriate packaging like bubble wrap or poly bags to protect fragile items. Adhere to Amazon's strict packaging guidelines, which you can find in Seller Central's help section. This step is crucial to prevent damage during transit. Accurate labeling is non-negotiable. Print your Amazon product labels and carefully apply them to each individual item. Ensure the barcode is scannable and the label is securely attached. Without these labels, Amazon won't know who sent what. Now, pack your products into sturdy shipping boxes. Remember to add the FBA box ID labels on the outside of each box. These labels, along with the carrier label, are generated in Seller Central and are vital for proper tracking within Amazon's system. Choose your shipping carrier. Amazon offers partnerships with carriers like UPS and FedEx for discounted rates. You can also use your preferred carrier after printing the labels and selecting a carrier. Arrange a pickup or drop off your packages at their location. Confirm shipment and track its progress within Seller Central. Once your shipment arrives at the Amazon Fulfillment Center, they'll process it, and your inventory will be ready for sale, supercharging your FBA business.